Sure, I'll grant you've seen dogs wrestling with cats on this show before. But have you ever seen a dog wrestling a cat next to a bag of kitty litter? I don't think so. Sure, we've seen dogs and cats fight on beds before, but we've never seen a dog and cat fight on a bed in Spain. And we've never seen this twist either. A cat starting off his wrestling match with an impression of roadkill. Dogs and cats wrestling on a sofa is common, you say? Well, okay. Okay, and as if I didn't already make my point, how many dog and cat wrestlers have you seen who have their own in-house referee? I think we're done here.